through the direction of Alex, through the mechanism of Stanislavski's technique, the 7 questions, and how to get so deep into the character and not just act based on your interpretation, but as given by the general learning part of the script. We find out the 7 answers. It's up to ourselves to add our own spin to it. Well, I gotten to know Alex. I recently started receiving casting auditions and opportunities around Dubai, which I could venture into if I'm suitable for the role. It's just good to know a playwright who's had extensive experience before as well. I used to be very hesitant after I stopped acting when I was young, but then coming back to it took time, and through his direction I really came out of my shell again, and I enjoyed it. I think my public speaking has improved. I can emote better. My voice modulation also needed work, which was good. And yeah, I think it's improved my soft skills in general.